blunts in the Hellcat, they count that as a crime. Okay, meet me at the red light, I'ma hit it when it's lime. Okay, I'ma be the first person to cross that checker line. Better watch your step or you gon' meet the other side. Heard that boy, he was a rat, the hood where he reside. I'ma keep my distance, can't get caught up with the lies. If you with the gang, I'ma split it like a pie.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, 100% gang? Welcome back to another video. Now, like, this video's a little bit different. I'm really just finna be talking and shit, but I just basically wanted to talk about like, I just been like seeing a lot of talk on the internet and shit about the 5.7, bro, and saying a lot of people, it's just so controversial, bro. Like, 5.7 is like, how can I put this, bro? 5.7 is like that engine. It's like that engine that really nobody wants, but the people, like the ones who do have it, know how good it is and stand by it. But the people who don't look down on it or don't understand it. It's kind of like the ugly duckling or some shit like that, or like it's like a big sleeper, bro. Like, and it's crazy to me why, like, I be trying to get around my head, like, why the 5.7 got so much hate, bro. Like I don't know. And then like my shit, since my 5.7 is cammed and all, like every time I pull up somewhere, a lot of people think this is a 6.4, but it's a 5.7. Like, they don't even know what's in my car. Like, they be like, damn, like, you know what I'm saying, like what you did to it. But a lot of people don't even be think like my car run like a 5.7, but because it, you know what I'm saying, but it is a 5.7, but it moves. And like, that's the thing a lot of people gotta understand, bro. Like, I feel like no matter what engine you got, you can make it fast. Like, no matter what car, bro. It's people with V6s out here. Like, bro, like, just for a little prime example, Boosted Lucky. Shout out to him, man. I love his channel. But this dude started out with a V6. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of other people who actually still have V6 to this day, like, that are fast. You know what I'm saying? That put superchargers on them. Rip Superchargers, one of the companies they go with, Vortex, shit like that. But it's fast, you know. Even though it's a V6, it'll still get on your ass just because, you know, you put some work into it. And a lot of people don't understand that. When you buy a 392, a lot of people don't understand, like, the reason you pay for the price is because it comes with upgraded brakes. It comes with bigger wheels. It comes with better handling. It comes with bigger engine. It comes with better transmission. It comes with these things, you know. And a lot of people gotta understand, like, 392 SRT is made for racing type, street racing technology. RT racing technology, you know what I'm saying, is like the lower trim under that. So it's not really made all the way for racing. That's why we do have a sport mode and shit, but we don't have all that crazy fancy shit. We don't have the upgraded brakes. We don't have that, you know what I'm saying. We don't have that. So people gotta understand, like, this car out the box wasn't really made for none of that shit. So when you get a 5.7, when you look at the 5.7, like, when you look at it, you gotta understand, like, this car wasn't really made for all that. You know what I'm saying? It's like looking at the older Mustang GT or some shit like that. Like, it's a trim level. Like, if you look at Camaro, they only have one V8. You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, Dodge is the only company, which I don't understand. They're the only, which I do understand, but I don't. I feel like it was a money grab, but they're the only company to have, what, they have 3 V8s. They literally, Dodge have 3 different V8s that you could buy for their cars. They have the 5.7. Well, actually, Dodge have 4 V8s. The 5.7, the 6.1, 6.4, 6.2. That's 4 different trim V8s. Like, and it just adds so many layers on top of that, of which engine is better, shit like that. So it adds this big confusion. Whereas LS, they had the same platform. They really barely changed it. It's only one engine. Like, you know what I'm saying? So that's the difference also. And also, you also got to look at the fact that, like, 5.7 is, and that's like what I'm trying to say is, people need to stop comparing straight out the box. You can't compare the 5.7 to a Scat. Like, you just can't, cause straight out the box, straight out the box, a Scat Pack has like damn near 100 more horsepower. How are you comparing a car that has 100 more horsepower? That's this. So you like we're really comparing the same car with 100 more horsepower. That 100 more horsepower car is gonna win. There's no way around it. You know, unless you do some force introduction, like do some work to your car. So that's another thing, man. Like all you gotta do is just put some work into 5.7s. Like I've been trying to, and then that's why I really started this channel, bro. Also because I wanted, like, for my car build, like I want people to follow my build, and I want to be able to give information because there's not a lot of information out there on the 5.7 and people doing their builds. Like I want to tell y'all where I got it from, how y'all can do with different routes and shit like that. You have a lot of people who have 5.7s that put work into them that are really fast, but there's no content on them. They don't make any content. There's no information out there about their car, who they went to, where they source different things out. So there's not really that much information getting passed around with the 5.7 community, which I think we need to step that up more. Mopar in general. But yeah, man, like you just can't compare it, bro. And there's not a lot of people out there like who has 5.7s that has a lot of work into it, putting that information out there. And that's what I want to do, and that's why I'm trying to build my car the way I am, trying to make it fast. And that's why I really want to keep the 5.7 platform, because you got a lot of dudes who even started with the 5.7, but now they're not with the 5.7, which I understand, like, cool, but it's just like, what I'm saying, that content is gone now type shit. So that it is what it is, you feel me? You never know though, like, shit, so, and that's what I'm saying. And then sometimes it might be, some people feel like it might be cheaper versus getting a bigger engine than versus keep going with the 5.7. So, but like I said, we'll see. You never know what the future holds. But for right now, I'm sticking with the 5.7, y'all. So 5.7 is not overrated. Y'all need to stop sleeping on the 5.7. Just with a simple cam upgrade, I'm almost at Scat Pack horsepower. So, and I from when I was in Texas, I actually met a dude who had an RT who was beating scats. So you know what I'm saying, the time is coming and it's here. So y'all just stay tuned, bro. Stay tuned. Watch the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. RTs, 345 cubic inch engines are not dead, man. And I'm here to show y'all that. You feel me? I'm here. I'm running, and I'm not playing. And I'm finna foot on the gas, bro. 100% throttle. That's what my channel all about. So, bro, y'all stay tuned, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, bro, and check out my other videos. I'm out.